Hi, welcome to the Grammatical Framework YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be covering the installation of GF for Windows. I'll also be showing you how to run GF from the command prompt. So with that, let's begin. First, we'll navigate to the Grammatical Framework website. Scroll down and click on Download GF. Since this tutorial is for Windows, we are going to go ahead and download the Windows binary package. Click on it. Once you're done, extract the file to the directory that you want. Next, I am going to search for my binary package. As can be seen, my binary package is here. Next, we are going to search for Advanced System Settings. Click on Environment Variables. There are two things that we have to do here. One is we have to specify the directory and add it to the list of existing paths. To add a new directory, click on New. As I've previously downloaded the file, my directory is appdata roaming cable bin. I have also specified another directory, appdata roaming cable gf-3.10, so that I can easily call gf from inside the command prompt. The second thing is, we need to create a new environment variable called the gf lib path. This is the directory to the library path. To create a new environment variable, gf library. The variable value is the directory. So once you're done, click on OK. Next, we are going to call the command prompt. Type in gf and you're done. That's it for the installation tutorial. Thank you for watching.